close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Jaimin. I have been living in France for 2 years. I studied my masters in international business in Paris. In today's video, I am going to talk about first things an international student should do after arrive in France. When I came in France, then I didn't know about all these things. So I asked a lot of people to do that, and it took a very long time to complete all documents. So in this video, I will explain all things one by one. Then it will be a very easy for the new arrival students to complete their documents. First thing is to get a SIM card. In France, you can get Laika and Lebara SIM card without any documents. So get one as soon as possible. You can find it everywhere in France. Also, if you want to know more about this SIM card recharge plan, then you can see my previous video about cost of living in Paris. In that video, I explain all mobile recharge plan of a Laika, Lebara and free SIM card. Second thing is find a permanent accommodation with proper documents like rent contract or domicile, because you will need this document for your other documentation and also for your visa renewal. So it will be better to get a accommodation with proper documents. Also, you will receive your all important documents on that address. So don't prefer to stay in illegal accommodation, because it will create a problem in future. Third thing is to get a Navigo pass. With Navigo pass, you can use all public transport in France. So get your Navigo pass as soon as possible. If you want to book your Navigo pass, then link is in description box. If you are a student and under 26, then it will charge 38 euro, otherwise 75 euro per month. Fourth thing is to submit your OFI. Don't forget to submit your OFI, because without OFI your visa will be valid only for 3 months. So after 3 months you can't visit any other country with your visa. If you want to submit your OFI, then link is in description box. Also, without OFI you can't renew your visa. It's mandatory. For submit your OFI, you have to buy 60 euro stamp. If you want to buy, then link is in description. Fifth thing is the social security number. This number is very important, because social security is your health insurance in France and it's free of cost. Also, without social security number you can't work legally in France. So get your social security number as soon as possible. If you want to get your social security number, then link is in description. You can go there and apply for your social security number. If you apply for a social security number now, then you will get your temporary social security number after 3 months. So apply now if you are in France, and you will get your permanent number after 6 months or 1 year. And after getting the permanent number, you will receive your carte vitale. With this social security number you can visit a doctor, then government will give back to you 70% of doctor's fee. Sixth thing is CVEC. CVEC is compulsory for all students. You have to pay 90 euro for CVEC. If you want to apply for CVEC, then link is in description. Seventh thing is to registration in your college and get your student ID card. With your student ID card, you will get a lot of benefits in France. You can visit lots of museum free of cost. Also, you will get a discount in some restaurants. You can use cruise restaurants. Also, you can get a discount for visit some places like Disneyland. Eighth thing is to open a bank account. Some colleges are help students to open their bank account, but some are not. So students are confused which bank is good. In France, all banks has a different advantages and disadvantages. So you have to decide which bank will be suitable for you. But most of the students are open their bank account in BNP Paribas, LCL, Societe Generale, and La Banque Postale. So it's time to reveal the surprise. So this surprise is for those students who willing to move Paris soon. I am going to start airport pickup service for new arrival students. So if you are interested, then you can contact me on my Instagram. I will help you to pick you up from airport to your destination. Also, I will help you to do this all 8 things right, but it won't be a free. I don't have a fixed charges in my mind, but minimum is around 50 euro for pick you up from airport to your destination. Also, you don't need to buy tickets, and also if you want, we will provide you a SIM card. For this work, I need some volunteer students who already in France and they want to earn something from this work. So they can also contact me on my Instagram. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like my video and it will help you to submit your all documents. If you have any problem, then you can contact me on my Instagram. I will help you, don't worry. See you in my next video. Bye bye.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.